Using visual communication to deliver a global message, video 4. 2 social media posts have been created, one for the United States and one for the cause in Australia. The posts include text, images, and the logo matching each country. In this video presentation to the board members, I will compare and analyze how these visual elements emotionally engage and persuade each specific target audience to reduce and eliminate racial prejudice. The first social media post is to Facebook. It starts with information regarding what redlining is, the racist housing policy from the Jim Crow era that still affects us today. The logo in the United States is racism, it stops with me. So I've incorporated redlining is racism, it stops with me. And the video provided is Adam Ruins the Suburbs, which explains what redlining is and how it leads to racism in the United States. The second social media post is to Twitter. It also includes a call to action, stand up to racism. This video shows 2 rugby players talking about racism and trading pokes and banter back and forth when they don't know the other is on the other side of the wall.